Hi friends, this is Joseph Thambi. I welcome you all for this spoken English class. In this video, I would like to explain to you about the sentences which we speak wrong in everyday conversation. For example, take a sentence with did not. When we speak or when we hear, many of us commit the mistake regarding these kind of sentences. For example, she did not yet. They did not return. We did not came. It did not rained. We did not played. So like this, many of us hear in our daily conversation. What I would like to explain to you is the format or the formula what is being used in these sentences is wrong. For example, see the formula what is being used. Subject place, did not place with replace object. This is wrong formula. What we need to use is subject place, did not place V1. Always did not carries V1. When we say or when we express past expressions. For example, I did not come, they did not write, we did not play, she did not sing, we did not learn, she did not teach. So this is the way you will have to use the correct sentences in English in a correct format. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, share it and subscribe it. Thank you very much.